these are the rocks we've selected to tumble. This time we've got a sodalite here. What else is this one? This one's just a cool rock. This one looks like, I don't even know. Is this another sodalite, Steve, with some quartz?
No, I don't know what that one is.
Looks cool though. This one also just looks cool. This one's definitely amethyst. It's got some amethyst in there, you can see. We've got another amethyst here, which is really unique because it's really dark here. So I'm excited for this one. And finally, we have another sodalite. So I'll let you guys know how the first stage goes. We're also polishing these ones with some mineral oil. These ones are already polished, right?
Yes.
Nice, they look great.
No, they're not polished.
They're not?
No.
Excuse me, they just have oil on them. They're not polished, but they just have the oil.
So this hobby of rock tumbling has been so much fun. Sadly, it's been snowing far too much to continue this round, but we will continue once the snow melts away. Whenever we pass by this home hardware, we always try to pay a visit to our favorite friend Apricot. That little kitty there is actually a rescue kitten that they have in that store, which is so sweet. The store literally adopted her from the SPCA, which I absolutely love. It's so adorable, so sweet, so heartwarming to see. I really, really love this matcha whisk. Nothing compares to the David's Tea matcha whisk because I got one. Oh my gosh, my cat just completely parkoured if you heard that in the background. But like I was saying, the matcha whisk that I got off Amazon was really bad. Plus, I don't want to support Amazon right now. But anyways, the David's Tea one is immaculate and incomparable.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. There's a hair stuck in my phone case. Ew, it's an Elsa hair. Love that for me. But anyways, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Wednesday and it's supposed to be like a snowstorm tonight. So in preparation, I'm going to go to the grocery store and pick up a few things just to make sure we have enough food at home. And I'm also going to do some Valentine's Day shopping because I needed to return Steven's present and I don't have anything to give him other than a candle and a pair of socks. I just forgot he's in the next room. So I just got him 2 little things. That being said, I'm going to go out and go shopping today. Today's a hair wash day as well. And I was sick last week. Like I was down bad. I wasn't stomach flu or like really bad sickness, like no fever, no chills or anything. It was just like a head cold, which is the most annoying because I was starting school and I was waking up at like 2 or 3 in the morning, like I showed you guys in the last vlog. I'm completely better now, which is awesome. That being said, I would normally do a spin class, but I haven't done a spin class in it's been like 2 weeks since I did my last spin class because I was taking it easy after being sick. I definitely don't want to push it today as well. So maybe I'll just ease into cardio by doing like light walks, maybe even walking on the treadmill, but spin classes just take it out of me. And usually I would do a spin class today because it's a hair wash day because I get really sweaty, but I do need to run some errands in case we're snowed in tonight or tomorrow or even on the weekend. So let's get changed into something a little bit less like this. So one of the things that I like to do on top of wearing really warm clothes in the winter, obviously, is also wear like a workout fit while I'm running errands so that I'm motivated, A, to move around a lot, but B, hopefully do a workout when I come back home. But it honestly depends on timing because I am supposed to go into work today. So by the time I get home, I might just have to get ready, go to work, and I have a lot of studying to catch up on as well. And in terms of studying, that's been going well, but I'm still having trouble not staying focused. Like when I'm in it, I'm very locked in and very zoned in. However, it's hard to motivate myself to start in the first place because my office is out of commission for now. There's just some things we have to work on in the house before I can go back into the office. Secondly, I'm just not as motivated in the dining room and our house is kind of a mess. So that's honestly been a bit of a struggle. And again, when I'm locked in, I'm locked in. Like when I start, it's great, but I've been sleeping in a lot lately. So I want to turn that around. I was really good leading up to school, waking up at like 7:30 in the morning, doing a workout to start the day, showering, and then doing work or filming or whatever and getting things done and being really productive. However, after being down bad last week from my sickness, I have not been waking up early whatsoever. I've been sleeping in today. It's like 10 o'clock right now, 10:30 maybe even, and I'm just getting changed now. And I probably woke up at like 8, but I stayed in bed till 9:30. So I need to get better at that. But like I said, I kind of had to sleep in because I wasn't feeling the best last week. So I really tried to prioritize sleep over anything, over working out, over reading. I haven't read my book in so long, which makes me so sad. But honestly, I'm reading A Court of Silver Flames and it's not clicking the same way that A Court of everything else was clicking because I haven't read that series yet. It's just totally different than the first 4 books. It's totally different than the first 3 books because the first 3 books follow like one person and her perspective. And this last book is written in third person, so it's taken out of the narrator being in the story. It's third person perspective, which is weird to wrap my head around. And when you get into it, it's fine, but it's not hitting as much as the other book. So I'm finding it hard to motivate myself to read that book as well before bed. So I need to get better at doing that because it really sets myself up for a good sleep. It gives me good sleep hygiene. That being said, I blabbed enough, so let's go and run some errands. It's a beautiful sunny day today, which I love. I love that. Okay, so anyways, like I was saying, I'm getting ready for work and I just got back from shopping, running errands, etc. And the errands that I ran included groceries. I also went shopping for a present for Steve for Valentine's Day, and I also got some baskets to hold some things in our bedroom because, as you guys can see, I have a lot of stuff on the couch. So I got these cute little baskets as storage options to throw in like squishmallows, extra pillows, extra blankets, just to make it look a little bit more organized and a little bit cuter. So I did that. I also got him a record for Valentine's Day, and I got him the Red Hot Chili Peppers one because he's really into them right now. So it's not the one that I think he's into because I didn't have that one, the Californication. So I got another one. I know that's one of their most popular albums, but I got another one that's pretty popular. You guys probably know it, maybe, but yeah, I also got one for myself. I got, what did I get again? I got Cage the Elephant. I really like Cage the Elephant, so that'll be cool. But yeah, I'm heading into work. It's supposed to be snowing a lot later tonight, so I'm actually going to pack like a sleepover bag just in case and some snacks. I also have to study, so I'm gonna pack all my study stuff just in case because I'm behind in studying. I have like 3 days until my first thing is due. The second time I reread it, I was like, oh, I don't like it. My eyeball, which made me have to sneeze, but at least my mascara didn't get absolutely everywhere, so that's okay. But yeah, feels good to have clean hair. Oh my god. Oopsies. Oh no. So I kind of rearranged our living space and I really like it. It's just a lot more clean walking in and out, and Elsa's bed is right there. This pink couch is still here, but I got this new blue couch and I ended up putting it in this corner as kind of like a reading corner, and I really like it. Don't you like it? It just feels a lot more cozy. So I'm going to do some Pilates this morning in here. And I'm kind of hungry. I had breakfast, but oatmeal just, I don't know, I'm still hungry after. I think because the oatmeal that I have is like a small package. So I'm gonna have a snack before doing some Pilates, and then I'll probably make lunch for me and Steve. Thank you so much. That was super nice. I haven't done a workout probably in 2 weeks because I was battling that cold, and then it was my first week of school. And during the second week, I just really wanted to listen to my body, and the only workouts I really did were when I'm teaching, which I don't really do everything when I'm teaching, so I don't count that because it's not like I'm doing every single repetition for the entirety of the class. But I also did go on a walk almost every day, so that's still like good exercise, and walking around the house. Like, my job is pretty active, but I didn't take time aside to do like exercise for me where I follow a class and I actually do the entirety of the repetitions in the class. So that was really nice, and it was a good intro. I did the 20-minute yoga Pilates, sunset Pilates yoga workout with Move with Nicole, and it was really nice. It was really chill. It was a great introduction back into exercise because I was on a roll during the new year where I was doing every other day like spin class or a run or something, like Stairmaster, something intense every other day. And then my off days, not off days, but the other days aside from the days I was doing the really intense exercise, I was complementing it with yoga and Pilates and dance, which was a really good balance for me. But when I was sick, I just needed to listen to my body, take time off, and recover. Now I feel better than ever. I know my stamina is going to be lacking when I go back to spin classes, so I'm just going to ease my way into exercise with Pilates and yoga, and then maybe I'll go into spin near the end of this week because I'm also at a dance competition this weekend, so I certainly don't want to overtire my body because I know I'm going to have to be up at like 4 in the morning or 5 in the morning to go to that. And like I said, I just don't want to shock my system too much. So I'm going to go make lunch now. It is 11:30 and Steve and I are going to have lunch at noon. I had a bit of a snack. I just had some toast with hummus and cucumbers, but I've been trying to meal prep a little bit more just so I'm better prepared for the rest of the week. Now that I'm studying, I want to have a really good schedule, something really clear so that I set myself up for success. So I meal prepped quinoa last night. We have a bunch of quinoa. We have some eggs, but I ate a lot of them, so I'm gonna make some more hard-boiled eggs. We have some veggies, which we ate most of, and we ate all the pasta. So I'll make something for lunch and just make sure I make enough for the rest of the week. So let's go do that. I didn't sweat at all. It was actually pretty cold. I got warm during the exercises and during class, but I don't feel like I need to shower yet, so I will shower after lunch considering it is already 11:30.
So I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me this week. Not a lot happened, honestly. I was just so focused on school and work, so I honestly didn't get up to much, but regardless, I had so much fun hanging out with you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.